So today we're going to be testing an Action 6 on the DJI FPV. So I have tried this before. It didn't work because of the attachment being inferior, I think. So this is a new attachment thanks to one of my friends, Ian at Yorkshire, and we're just going to attach that on there and see if this is going to work. Now, last time I didn't press record on the camera, so I'm going to make sure I do that this time. It does. Just to give you an example of an FPV carrying an Osmo Action 6. Let's see what it does. I think I'll do this line of sight first. Just make sure everything's connected though.
No transmission yet. Let's wait for that to come through. There we go. No GPS.
Okay. Let's have a look. So far so good. It worked fine. Oh mate, that's so much better. So in the last one, what happened was we had a lot of vibration in the camera, but for some reason now I knew this would work. This is such a solid. So we're in normal mode, just trying it out to keep it. The potato is a beast. Oh man, I'm so happy with it. There's a dog walker on the other end of the pitch. I don't want to really disturb them. But look at that.